Mini EDC knives are compact, versatile tools designed for convenience and practicality. These small yet functional blades easily fit in your pocket and offer various features, making them perfect for daily tasks, emergencies, and outdoor adventures. Explore the world of mini EDC knives for compact cutting solutions. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 8. Kershaw 7350 Launch 10 Auto Folding Knife. A cutting-edge tool designed for those who demand precision and speed in their everyday carry. This knife exemplifies innovation with its sleek design and lightning-fast automatic deployment. Crafted from top-quality materials, the Launch 10 features a sharp blade for precision cutting, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of tasks. Its robust build ensures durability and reliability, and the automatic opening mechanism is not only lightning-quick, but also highly secure. The textured handle provides a comfortable grip, and the reversible pocket clip allows for convenient carry options. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, first responder, or simply someone who values top-notch EDC gear, the Kershaw 7350 Launch 10 Auto Folding Knife is the ultimate choice for those who prioritize precision and speed in their daily carry. Elevate your EDC game with this exceptional folding knife and experience the unmatched performance it offers. Number 7. Schrade SOG 9MC Mini Landshark Mini Knife. A compact and formidable tool designed for those who require precision and reliability in their everyday carry. This mini knife packs a punch with its sleek design and exceptional functionality. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Mini Landshark features a razor-sharp blade for precision cutting, making it an ideal choice for utility tasks and emergency situations. Its compact size and ergonomic handle ensure a comfortable grip and convenient carry, whether on your keychain or stashed in your pocket. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, first responder, or simply appreciate top-notch EDC gear, the Schrade SOG 9MC Mini Landshark is the perfect choice for those who prioritize portability and dependability in their everyday carry. Elevate your EDC game with this mini powerhouse and experience the difference it makes in your daily life. Number 6. Kershaw 8710 Antic. A unique and versatile folding knife designed to cater to the needs of modern everyday carry enthusiasts. The Antic stands out with its distinctive design, blending aesthetics with practicality. Crafted from high-quality materials, it features a sharp, versatile blade that excels in various cutting tasks. The sleek stainless steel handle is both lightweight and durable, providing a comfortable grip. The Kershaw Antics' compact size and reversible pocket clip make it ideal for effortless and discreet carry. Whether you're tackling everyday cutting chores or seeking a stylish pocket companion, the Antic's exceptional craftsmanship ensures it's up for the task. Number 5. Blitz Mini Tactical Pocket Knife. A compact powerhouse designed to deliver exceptional performance for everyday carry. This knife is a true testament to precision engineering and functionality. Crafted with top-quality materials, the Blitz Mini Tactical Pocket Knife features a sharp and versatile blade, making it ideal for a wide range of cutting tasks. Its rugged and durable build ensures reliability in demanding situations, while the compact size allows for easy and discreet pocket carry. Whether you're a first responder, outdoor enthusiast, or someone who values a reliable EDC tool, the Blitz Mini Tactical Pocket Knife is the perfect choice for those who prioritize performance and portability in their everyday carry. Elevate your EDC game with this exceptional pocket knife and experience the difference it makes in your daily life. Number 4. CRKT Pillar EDC Folding Pocket Knife Compact Everyday Carry. The embodiment of compact and efficient everyday carry. This knife is a testament to minimalistic design fused with exceptional functionality. Crafted with precision and high-quality materials, the Pilar boasts a versatile blade that's ideal for various cutting tasks. whether you're in the great outdoors or tackling everyday chores. Its rugged stainless steel handle ensures durability, and the compact size makes it a breeze to carry in your pocket. The frame lock mechanism adds security, while the reversible pocket clip provides convenience and versatility. Whether you're an urban adventurer or outdoor enthusiast, the CRKT Pillar EDC folding pocket knife is the perfect choice for those who prioritize reliability and efficiency in their daily carry. Elevate your EDC game with this exceptional folding knife and experience the difference it makes in your everyday life. Number 3. Gerber Kettlebell Compact Folding Knife, the epitome of compact and efficient everyday carry. This knife is a fusion of sleek design and exceptional functionality, representing a reliable tool for a multitude of tasks. Crafted with high-quality materials, the kettlebell features a versatile blade that excels in various cutting chores, making it an ideal choice for urban adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Its rugged, all-steel construction ensures durability, while the compact size and frame lock mechanism make it easy to carry in your pocket with confidence. The kettlebell also offers quick and effortless one-handed deployment, adding to its practicality. Elevate your everyday carry game with the Gerber Kettlebell Compact Folding Knife and experience a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it an essential addition to your EDC collection. Number 2. Vasan Brazabro EDC Mini Folder Folding Knife, a compact yet formidable folding knife that embodies the essence of everyday carry excellence. This knife is a testament to precision engineering and versatility in a compact package. Crafted with top-quality materials, the Brazabro features a sharp, versatile blade that's ideal for a wide range of cutting tasks, from everyday chores to outdoor adventures. Its sturdy and durable construction ensures reliability, while the mini folder design allows for easy and discreet pocket carry. With a secure frame lock mechanism and a reversible pocket clip for added convenience, the Bastion Brazabro EDC mini folder is the perfect choice for those who demand performance and portability in their everyday carry. Elevate your EDC game with this exceptional mini folder and experience the difference it makes in your daily life. Number 1. SOG Knives Tax California Special Automatic, a cutting-edge knife designed for those who demand precision, speed, and reliability in their everyday carry. This knife showcases exceptional craftsmanship and top-tier functionality, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of tasks. Crafted with high-quality materials, the California Special features a sharp blade that excels in precision cutting and quick deployment. Its robust build ensures durability, and the automatic opening mechanism is both swift and secure. With its compact size and reversible pocket clip, it's an ideal choice for easy and discreet pocket carry. Whether you're a first responder, outdoor enthusiast, or someone who values top-notch EDC gear, the SOG Knives Tax California Special Automatic is the perfect choice for those who prioritize performance and reliability in their daily carry.